Hey guys, welcome back to FoodTech Journey. Today we will learn about cereal processing. Without further wasting time, let's start. Ever wondered how your favorite cereals, bread, or biscuits are made? Cereal processing transforms raw grains into delicious and nutritious foods. Today we will explore different cereal processing techniques with key products, parboiled rice, bread, biscuits, extruded products, and breakfast cereals. The goal of cereal processing is to enhance shelf life, flavor, and usability of cereals. Starting with parboiling of paddy and its process. So, the parboiling of paddy refers to partial boiling of rice paddy before milling. This technique improves the nutritional value, texture, and shelf life of rice. Parboiling has three key steps. First is soaking, where the paddy is soaked in hot water at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius for around 3 to 5 hours to allow water penetration. Next, it's steamed to gelatinize the starch, which makes the grain harder and less sticky. After this, the drying process takes place where the steamed paddy is dried to reduce moisture, making it ready for milling. Parboiled rice is richer in vitamins and minerals because nutrients from the husk move into the grain when it is steamed. Now we will learn about bread processing. We all know bread is one of the oldest and most popular foods in the world. But how it is made? So the bread process includes mixing, fermentation, proofing, baking, and cooling. These are the ingredients that are used in bread processing: flour, water, yeast, salt, and these are few optional ingredients. There are few quality considerations that should be kept in mind during bread processing, like texture, flavor, moisture content, shelf life, depending on proper fermentation and baking. These are the process steps of bread processing. So first, flour, water, yeast and salt are mixed into dough. After this, the dough is fermented where yeast produces carbon dioxide and alcohol, making the dough to rise. After this, second proofing or shaping is done where the dough is shaped into loaves or rolls and left to rise again. It means second proofing. After this process, it is baked at high temperatures, typically 200 degrees Celsius, to set structure, flavor, and color. It develops its golden crust, as you can see over here, and soft texture. After this, the bread is cooled, sliced, and packaged. This is all about bread processing. Now we will learn about biscuit processing. Biscuits comes in different textures, crispy, crunch or soft. But how they are made? So the process starts with mixing flour, sugar, fat and few leavening agents. It totally depends on the recipe and the desirable characteristics of biscuits. These are the quality considerations that must be kept in mind during processing of biscuit. So these are the process steps. Ingredients are combined into a smooth dough. After this, fats and sugar are mixed first to in incorporating air for a lighter texture. Then the dough is rolled and cut into shapes or deposited onto baking trays. Some biscuits are added for a light texture, while others use the fats and sugar for a denser bite. Then, after baking, they are cooled and packed to maintain the freshness. That's why biscuits have such a long shelf life. I hope the processing steps of biscuits are clear to you all. Now we will learn about extruded products. Have you ever eaten puffed snacks, pasta, or breakfast cereals? These are made using the extrusion technology. A flow chart, a flow diagram is uh, shown over here for your better understanding. Extrusion involves pushing a grain-based mixture through a machine. As you can see, through a hopper we are pushing under high pressure and heat, shaping it into different forms like noodles, snack pellets, or cereal puffs. So here the hopper is used to push the ingredients, then it passes through the screw barrel and the heater under high pressure and temperature. Then through the die or mold, we can get the desirable characteristics or shapes and size of the product. So the products made by forcing cereal dough through a die to shape, cook and expand it. These are few examples like breakfast cereals, puffed snacks, pasta and noodles that can be extruded. Processing steps include mixing of cereal flour, water and additives to form a dough. After this, the dough is pushed through an extruder with high pressure and temperature, typically 80 to 200 degrees Celsius. Then the gelatinization and expansion process takes place. After this, the dough is cut to size as it exits the die. Then we will do drying or frying. Extruded product is dried or fried to stabilize the texture. Then the products can be flavored and packed. So this is the processing of extruded products. Now we will learn about ready to eat breakfast cereals. Crunchy, crispy and quick ready to eat cereals are a breakfast staple for everyone nowadays. So this process includes cooking, drying, shaping and toasting. Grains like corn, wheat and rice are first cooked and then dried. Then they are shaped into flakes, puffs, granola or extruded cereals. Quality considerations include the crispiness, flavor and moisture because these are essential for the consumer appeal. We have example of cornflakes for your better understanding. So how we will prepare? We will use the corn grits and then we will clean them and condition it with water. Corn is cooked with sugar, salt and flavor in a rotary cooker. After this, we will do the flaking process where the cooked corn is flattened into flakes using rollers. Flakes are toasted in a high temperature oven to develop crispness and flavor. After this, we can cool them and pack them to maintain the freshness. I hope it is clear to you all. We all know that cereal processing isn't just about taste, it's about the nutrition too. So whole grains retain fiber, vitamins and minerals, while refined grains lose some nutrients during process like milling. That's why fortified cereals have added vitamins like B12 and iron. Food safety is also important, that is shelf life. Packaging and moisture control are crucial to maintain freshness and prevent staling. Texture and flavor because processes like extrusion and baking enhance texture and flavor in cereal products. We have learnt about parboiling of paddy where we can retain more vitamins and minerals. So this is all about the nutritional and quality considerations in cereal processing. From parboiling paddy to crispy cereal, cereal processing is full of science and innovation. If you found this interesting, hit like, share and subscribe for more food science insights. A little homework for you all. Which of these is a processed food? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the YouTube comment section or on our Instagram handle. You can also mail us on foodtechjourney@gmail.com. Keep spreading the content, guys, and help us in growing and reaching the ones in need.